voice is that branch of grammar which studies the form that the verb takes in a sentence to determine the status of the subject and the object. And this voice can be studied under two headings, and these are: first one is active voice and second one is passive voice. There are two types of voice, and these are active voice and passive voice. A verb is said to be in active voice when the emphasis is on the subject. When the emphasis is on the subject. And a verb is said to be in passive voice when the emphasis is on the object or the work done. So students, before you will know how to convert an active voice into passive voice, you should know some rules. So let me clear about these rules. Some rules, and the first rule is the arrangement of the words in a sentence in the active voice is changed. For example, Rama eats rice. This sentence is written in active voice. If I will convert it into passive voice, it will be rice is eaten by Rama. Then come to the second rule, and that is change of pronouns. Change of pronouns. For example, he becomes him. She becomes her. And they becomes them. And I becomes me. These are certain changes when you convert from a sentence active to passive. Then there are some changes required under the tense. So let me clear about first the present tense. Let me clear you about the active passive voice rules for present tense. As you know, each tense have 4 forms. Then let me clear you about simple present and the rules for the simple present is in active voice and in passive voice. If I will make you clear understand about the rules or about the formats, you can understand better. So in present simple, in active voice, the format is subject plus V1 plus object. But in passive voice, the format is object plus is or am or are plus V3 plus by plus subject. Students, Mark clearly here. Subject converts into object and object converts into subject. This is the key rule of changing active voice into passive voice. For examples, he reads a book. Without an object, we can't convert an active sentence into passive sentence. So this is inactive. He reads a book. This is in simple present. When you will convert it into passive voice, it will be the object is here, changes into the subject, and it will be a book. From is, am, are, here we will put a book is V3 form, that is read, then by, then subject is he becomes him. Then it will be a book is read by him. Then come to next form, that is progressive. To next form, that is progressive. Present progressive. In active voice, the format is subject plus is or am or are plus verb ing plus object. In passive voice, the format is object plus is or am or are plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. And the example is he is eating rice. In active voice, in present progressive, the sentence is he is eating rice. When you will convert it into passive voice, it will be rice object, then from is, am, are, here is, then being, then third form of the verb, that is eat, ate, eaten, then by, then he becomes him. And in passive voice, it will be rice is being eaten by him. Then come to next form, that is perfect. That is perfect. And the format is subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. And in passive voice, the format is object plus have or has plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. In active voice, in present perfect, the format is subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. And in passive voice, the format is object plus have or has plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. And let me give you an example. He has eaten rice. Subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. When you will convert it into passive voice, it will be first object, then rice. From have or has, you will write rice has, then been, then V3, that is eaten, then by, then subject, that is he, becomes him. So students, then next form is perfect progressive and there is no passive voice for present perfect progressive. In my next video, I will explain you about the active passive voice rules for past tense. For that, keep watching my upcoming videos.